Okay guys, I kinda want to expand my garden already. And you can see that I have 2.6 billion, and I promise all of you guys that I will expand my garden when I get to 2.5. But I'm changing that.
Wait, I will.
Hold on. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm changing that one. If I get to about... Hold on. If I get plus 10 subscribers... Okay guys, I'm back. And make sure to send this to your friends and family, anybody, so I can finally expand my garden. Look how tiny my garden is right now. In the past, it was pretty big. Not so big. And now, as you can see, how big my garden is. It's literally cramped up. By the way, I see this. I see this in the mushroom. Hold on. Let's say pollinated. Look at this. Look. I always see this on YouTube. What I see on YouTube. It says, "Hey yo!"